Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Smart TV. And in today's video, I will show you on how to use OK Google in your Google Smart TV voice command without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and bring out your remote control, just like so. So this is my remote control right here. What you want to do here is to make sure you locate this particular mic icon right here. Go ahead and click on it. So once you click on it, this is going to pop up right here. Hold the assistant button down on your remote control. Every TV remote that have Google Assistant supposed to have that. Go ahead and click and hold down. Hey Google, can you please open YouTube app?
Opening YouTube for Android TV.
Just like so. So we can go ahead and choose any of our profile right here. So then we can easily say, we can also go away from YouTube app right here and ask a Google Assistant to open another app. We can say, press and hold on. Hey Google, can you please open Netflix app?
I looked for Quran. Hey Google, can you please open on Netflix, but it either isn't available or can't be played right now.
Okay, let's retry. Hey Google, can you please open Netflix app?
Opening Netflix.
It's that simple. So you can see, so from here we can choose any of our Netflix profile right here. It's that simple. So we can also say, Hey Google, can you please open Netflix Kids profile?
To find streaming apps that you've installed, check under the Apps section. To download new apps, open the Play Store and search for the app that you want.
Hey Google, can you please open Netflix?
That's me. How can I help?
We can click and hold down again. Hey Google, can you please open Netflix Kiddies profile? Just like so. So we have a related result right here. You can go on and see how you can use this particular Hey Google voice command with your Google Smart TV. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.